How to view pending transaction on Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see which transactions are still processing on your Capital One account, well here is how to view your pending transactions using the desktop browser. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the first link, you can simply click on it and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here once you see the interface like this, you can see at the top, so there you simply have to click on the username and password and enter your credential, and after that you can simply click on sign in to log into your Capital One account. And now here once you are inside the account, you can simply select the credit card, checking, or the saving account you want to check. And once inside the account, simply scroll through your transaction history. Pending transactions are usually listed at the top or marked as pending beside the amount. And keep in mind that pending charges may not reflect the final posted amount, but they do temporarily reduce your available balance. And that's it. That's how you can check pending transaction on Capital One. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.